Today we have something special to share with you, an unforgettable journey to one of the most luxurious and picturesque resorts in Kerala. We are talking about the Taj Kumarakom Resort. Taj Kumarakom Resort nestled amidst the lush green landscapes of Kerala. The warm hospitality of the staff immediately makes you feel at home. The check-in process is seamless and the staff goes above and beyond to cater to your needs. Taj Kumarakom Resort is a lush green oasis that seamlessly blends modern luxury with the natural beauty of Kerala. It is the perfect place to unwind and escape from the hustle and bustle of the city life. As we make our way to the rooms, take in the breathtaking views of the resort's exterior. The architecture is inspired by traditional Kerala design, which adds to the overall charm. Room is spacious, elegantly decorated and flooded with natural light. The earthly tones and traditional decor create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It is with a garden view and overlooking the lake, every corner radiates comfort. These rooms showcase the rich cultural heritage of Kerala. The interiors are adorned with beautiful traditional art and decor, giving you a sense of the local culture. You will also enjoy a spacious living area and a private sit-out area. It is now time for a delicious breakfast experience like no other. The ambience here is simply breathtaking. We have got an array of options to choose from traditional Kerala breakfast delights to international flavors. What truly sets Taj Kumarakom is their commitment to using fresh local ingredients. You can taste the authenticity in every bite. For the adventure enthusiasts, there is no shortage of activities. Whether it is cycling through picturesque garden, watching children delight in chasing butterflies, feeding the friendly geese by the water's edge, or trying your hand at fishing, Taj Kumarakom offers a diverse array of experiences that enable you to fully engage with the local culture. The stage is set for an exceptional afternoon by the backwaters for unforgettable high tea experience while we soak in the stunning views and beautiful sunset. Sipping on your favorite tea or coffee while watching the sun's golden hues on the backwaters. The ambience here is unmatched. You can choose to sit on the lawns surrounded by the vibrant greenery. The tranquil backwaters are beautiful sight, creating a perfect blend of nature and luxury. Tonight, we have a captivating experience in store for you, an enchanting dinner accompanied by a mesmerizing display of traditional dance. The culinary journey here is nothing short of extraordinary. From delicious local cuisine to international favorites, the Taj chefs have truly outdone themselves. We get to enjoy this feast while gazing at the tranquil lake where the shining moonlight paints a surreal picture. To add a cultural dimension to the evening, guests are treated to a spellbinding traditional dance performance. The graceful movements, vibrant costumes, and rhythmic beats transport us to the heart of Kerala's rich heritage. If you are seeking a beautiful blend of culture, cuisine, and nature, this is a destination that should be on your bucket list. We are about to embark on a mesmerizing journey, a shikara ride through the heart of this picturesque paradise Kumarakom. The shikara ride at Kumarakom is a unique experience that transports you to a realm of tranquility and wonder. These beautifully crafted traditional boats offer a comfortable seat to the splendor of Kerala's backwaters. As you settle into the shikara, you will be embraced by a sense of serenity. The gentle lapping of water, the melodious songs of birds, and the rustling of leaves create a soothing symphony that's music to the soul. The backwaters are not just a waterway, they are a lifeline for the locals, sustaining communities and traditions for generations. Glide past traditional houses, lush coconut trees, and vibrant flora, immersing yourself in the authentic rural life of Kerala. Witness fishermen casting their nets and villagers going about their daily routine. As the sun rises above the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, you will realize why this morning scene is nothing short of magical. The shikara ride at Kumarakom is not just a boat ride, it is a journey into the heart of nature's embrace. So, if you are seeking moments of peace and beauty, a shikara ride at Kumarakom is an experience that will linger in your heart forever. Thanks for watching. Please give us your valuable comments and suggestions. We would like you to press the like button if you have liked this video. If you enjoyed the content of this video and have not yet subscribed to the channel, we would appreciate you subscribe this channel to get notified for our future videos.